Welcome to The Mirror Beauty, and today we're doing a huge makeup haul. I have a bag full of makeup here. It's pretty heavy, and no, it's not the bag in which the makeup has arrived, but it's just a nice winter holiday bag. It's full of makeup stuff, and that's because I got this makeup all around winter holidays. So I actually got a lot of it on Black Friday, but since I ordered a lot of things from abroad, from the USA mainly, the things came in the end of December, some in January, and one package from Melt Cosmetics never arrived. I emailed them, they sent me a new one, but once again without the tracking within the country of destination, which in my opinion is very unreasonable. We'll see if it arrives. Anyway, let me show you what I have for now. If you're interested in something and want to know more, just ask me in the comments. Also, if you want to request a review on any of these products, also please comment. If I get a lot of comments on some of the items, I will of course film a video about it. Some of these products have already been tested by me, some haven't been yet. So let's start with some interesting stuff. This little box right here, which doesn't look too attractive, but inside there are Tammy Tanuka pigments and some cat hair. A little bit of cat hair everywhere. And these are gorgeous! I will translate the names for you, but the translations might be different on their website, so I will put on the screen what is on their website. This hollow glittery one is absolutely unreal. It's called the Maiden of 1,000 Blades. I was wearing it as an eyeshadow topper in one of my previous videos. This is a winged rocket or a winged missile, and this is a multichrome which shifts from teal through blue and violet to pink. And this is what I have on my eyes today. See how the color shifts from teal through blue and violet to pink? It's hard to see in this light, but if I turn the flash on my phone, see how the color changes? Another thing I have on is called Sweet Fog. I have it on as a highlighter, and it's also slightly duochrome. One more pigment here that I got as a highlighter, and this is called Ice Fishies, and this shifts from pink to green. Very beautiful, very sparkly. The last one I got is more basic. It's a beautiful metallic lime green. As for the Tammy Tanuka pigments, I already made a poll on Instagram and a lot of people voted pro making a video, so it is on my list. However, if a lot of you also want it like now, just let me know and I will prioritize it higher and make it sooner. I repurchased the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in Fierce Purple because I'm kind of running out of mine. I absolutely love it. Then I purchased two things from Beauty. One is a backup of my liquid lipstick Muse, which actually I'm wearing right now, and it's one of the few liquid lip colors that I actually tend to run out of. Can you imagine? I have so many lipsticks. If you've seen my lipstick collection videos, like the green lipsticks, the blue lipsticks, the teal lipsticks, like there are so many lipsticks that I usually never run out of them. I just throw them away when they're not good anymore, and this is something I use all the time. It's the one I'm wearing right here, and I just wanted to show you that they changed the packaging slightly. The lipstick is the same, like the color inside is the same, but the tube is a little bit different, and also the wand is different. So this is the old packaging, this is the new one. As you can see, the new wand is dough foot shaped, and this one is more straight. Here's the lip color. It's a cool dark purple. Now another thing I got from them was a felt tip pink eyeliner. I normally don't get felt tip eyeliners, but this color is very, very unique. I mean, you rarely see a pink eyeliner, and especially a dark one, so I really hope it works. I have already tested it on my eye. It applies good, like pretty good. I don't know how it wears yet though. I haven't done a wear test. Next I got a whole bunch of things from the brand called Chaotic Cosmetics. These are 4 liquid lipsticks and 2 eyeliner pencils. The pencils are automatic. I got them in pink and green. Be careful, they break really easily. See, I broke this one, although I was rather careful, but I guess not careful enough. The good thing is that they have a sharpener here, so you can actually draw your wing sharply. And let me just show you the swatches since we're on the swatching page. So see, this pink here is already much lighter, though it's still a nice bright pink. and a very beautiful grass green. Once again, I haven't done a wear test yet, but I have applied them to my eyes and worn them for like a couple of hours. They performed okay. They also are pigmented and smooth when applying, so great application. The only downside so far is that they break so easily. The lipsticks are my dream. Like, they are so good. I'm wearing one of them right now. It's called Cutie Pie, a baby blue, as you can tell. So let me just also quickly hand swatch them while we're here. Next is Love Bug, and the reason I love them so much, so I tried them on, of course, when I got them. They are super pigmented, as you can see. They are really opaque in one layer, but what is very important, that aside from being smudge proof, they're actually not drying, which is like a miracle to me. The pink one is Guilty and Charged, because the only ones that were absolutely non-drying for me from the liquid lipsticks were the NYX Liquid Suedes, but as you know, they're not completely smudge proof. And this one is my favorite, Hyper Crush, which is a like slightly blue based purple. It probably looks a little bluer in the video. It's a true purple, but without any warmth. So, you know, a lot of purple lipsticks tend to be warm, like they are leaning to magenta a bit. And this one is a cool purple. It is a purple though, it's not blue. If you've been enjoying the video so far, please hit the thumbs up button so that this can spread to more people. They can join this colorful life and forget about boring makeup. How good does that sound? One more thing I want to swatch right away, while I haven't washed up these swatches yet, is the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Nickel? I don't know. It was on sale, super cheap. I got it for like $2 or $3, I think. So I was just curious. Okay, this one is a little bit purpler than this one, but overall similar. The BH Cosmetics one is very moussey. I don't know if it's available still. If it is, it should be super duper cheap. As you have guessed, I haven't just gotten the lipsticks from BH Cosmetics, I also got the Sapphire palette, which was their Birthstone palette for September. And this is not what I expected. I mean, this makes more sense as a Sapphire palette to me, but that's not what made me buy it. Look at this color, it actually looks blue, like it's purple leaning, but blue. This one is more purple. And this color in the photos, it actually looked purple, like a blue-based purple, and that's what made me buy it. But let's swatch it. I haven't touched it yet, and maybe it will swatch more purple. Well, it's kind of a little bit duochrome, so there is definitely a purple shift to it, but it's still bluer than in the photos. I quite like the color though. I like it more than in the palette. When it's swatched, I like it more. Let's swatch some other colors, okay? Like while we're here. So the Sporty, this is a silver one. That's like a shimmer, nothing too remarkable. And Sympathetic is something I'm very curious about. This is like a matte purple. I have no idea about the quality yet. Like a matte purple blue. Well, more purple. This one is more purple. So I'm super curious about the green. Okay, that's nice, like a grass green. And Cool is pretty cool. It matches my nail. Organized AF. It looks almost black. No, it's actually a dark matte teal. Huh? I know these are not the best swatches, I'm sorry, but just on the go. And the glitter is actually very pretty. It's hollow. Looks really nice, though I'm not a big fan of pressed glitters. So anyway, this is not what I expected, but it's not bad. It's not bad in terms of color. In terms of quality, I have no idea yet. When I test it, I might tell you if you want a review on this palette, because the thing is that, first of all, this was limited, and once again, I'm not sure if this is available anymore. Let me just take off all this thing in the meantime so that I can operate normally. And second, as you might have heard, BH Cosmetics actually filed for bankruptcy, which was such a surprise to me. I mean, they were releasing so many products. They collaborated with the celebrity Doja Cat or Doja Cat? I think it's Doja Cat. I'm sorry, I apologize if I mispronounce her name. And I thought they were doing well, honestly, but I guess they weren't, and maybe this collab was them trying to save their brand. And now they're not closing the brand, they're still operating, but I assume they're kind of narrowing it down. That's why they filed for bankruptcy, because there is some debt that they cannot pay, and they are hoping to still stay on the market, just in a smaller range, probably producing less quantities, something like that. I still have to test the quality, though I have heard great reviews about the quality. So in that case, that will be, of course, upsetting if they go out of business. Hopefully that never happens, and let me show you some more purchases. So these are neon eyeliners from LA Girl. I honestly thought they were limited, but it seems like they're permanent. I cannot open this one. Can you imagine? Like, I never opened it before. Oh my god, I will have to ask someone. Or at least, like, I will have to make sure that I'm not wearing any cream on my hands. Anyway, I'm sure I will open it eventually. But you can still see the colors, a bright turquoise and a bright neon green. The colors are pretty unique, and the reason I got them is because I had this purple color from the same collection, and it really performed very well on my oily lids. Like, maybe not the best of the best, but really good. I could wear it for a lot of hours, and that's pretty rare, and also given that the colors are not something that you see every day in eye pencils, so usually these bright colors come in metallics for some reason, and these are mattes. Then also from LA Girl, I got a purple mascara. It was also super discounted. That was my purchase from Black Friday, and I was hoping for a different purple, to be honest. I haven't tried this one yet either, but I'm not sure how it shows up on camera. In their photos, it seemed like a cool leaning purple. In reality, it's more of a true purple, and it's kind of more muted than it was in the photos. It's still not bad, and if I like the application, I will be happy with this mascara and probably even purchase another one someday, just not what I was expecting from the photo. Then also from BeautyBay, I got the Jungle Book palette. I loved these Disney collaboration palettes, and they're so small, easy to carry around, and also I really love how unique the colors are in this palette. Honestly, I was super tempted to get the Cheshire Cat palette, because Cheshire Cat is my favorite character ever. However, the colors from the Cheshire Cat palette, I pretty much have them all, and these colors, I mean, especially this one, it's super unique, and this one, and also this one, honestly, I think only this one is kind of usual, and these two are maybe like not that rare, and all the top row is honestly super rare in my opinion. I don't have dupes for this, and that says something, right? If you need a review and tutorial for this, let me know. Two Kiko Milano eye pencils, which I will definitely be making a review on. It's a very beautiful sparkly purple, and also a pretty unique grass green, because a lot of greens that are sold tend to be more emerald leaning, and this is warmer, but at the same time not super light. And this is it. No, it's not. Oh my god. I forgot about such an important thing, guys. This has become my holy grail. Once again, a little bit of cat hair. It's everywhere in this house. So this is Inglot Duraline, and this is a mixing medium. So it has a dropper inside, and you can pour some drops any way you like. And what it is great for, I will say right away that I haven't tried mixing mediums from other brands, so they might just be just as great. But this one, you can mix it with a loose pigment, for example the ones that I showed you from Tammy Tanuka, these beautiful multichrome ones, and create a liner or use it in a lip art like I did, and basically create tones of things with any colors you like. So any eyeshadow, any pigment that you got, you can make it a liquid thing. But aside from that, it's not just that. Obviously, you know, mixing pigments and making eyeliners, it's not something you will do on a daily basis, because it does require some additional work and a little bit of time. But also this revives old dry products like a dream. I revived a liquid lipstick with it, which I wasn't even ever hoping to revive, but I loved it so much that it dried down, and I was so hesitant to throw it away, and I didn't even know why. I thought it was so stupid to keep it, and now that I have this, it was so good that I hadn't thrown it away. This loves super duper highly recommend. I don't know why I hadn't gotten this before. Actually, I do know. It was always kind of a little bit out of my budget because, you know, it was something that I didn't really need as I thought, and there was always something else that I wanted to buy more. But now that I have it, I don't know how to explain you like how much I love it and how much I'm happy that I did spend my money on it. Absolutely a stunning purchase. So this was my haul. Now it's all. That's it. Like, is that it? Yeah. Yeah. Please let me know which of these products you would like to see reviewed or swatched. If I get many comments on a product, I will of course go and make a video about it as soon as possible. And also feel free to just ask a quick question about a product, you know, maybe if you wanted the answer right away. And also, if I'm saying that I haven't tested something in a video, I might have already tested it by the time I release the video, or by the time that you're watching it, like maybe another week or month later, who knows. So I might just have the answer for you. And also, as soon as I review something, it will be in this reviews playlist, which already has a lot of product reviews. So I will see you right there. Bye!